Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today we're showing off a quick improvement that we found within Inksoft, and that's uploading product measurement sheets to a new product. So we're going to go ahead and time the old process. So I'm starting the timer now. So we would come over to Sandmar, click product measurement. We're going to hit the shortcut for a print screen to take a screenshot, and then we would draw out the space. Next we'd come over to Photoshop here, create a new document, and go ahead and paste that in. Next we're going to do the shortcut to export for web. Save as a JPEG, and just say that's a desktop, and then we would come back into Inksoft here, and we go ahead and upload it. So stop now. So 33 seconds. Okay, we're going to go ahead and reset, close that down. Okay, so the improvement is we figured out that we can upload PDFs, so we're going to test this out, starting now. Come over to Sandmar, product measurement, view PDF, download, save, choose file, downloads, and we're done. 15 seconds, so we cut the time more than in half, so that is absolutely an improvement. Thanks for watching.